What's up, everybody? I'm Brett. There's our race car in our nice garage here, and it is officially the off season. What's the off season mean? It is time to rebuild. So let's get some tunes on here, get some working tunes. And the best way to rebuild here, or the only way to rebuild is by starting with demoing. So let's go over here. Let's find our drill. Here we go. Get out the battery. Well, you can see here, obviously, not only is the body pretty beat up on this thing, the decking isn't exactly in the best shape either. I'm sure we destroyed a little bit of it this year, but it's also got plenty of wear and tear on it too. So it's all coming off. Let's get to it. One piece down, plenty more to go. Gonna need a 7/16 and an impact for these bad boys, body bolts here, so we can get the rest of this off. Let's go see what we can find. Impact. Fully charged battery. Number 2. There's number 3. Here comes number 4. Ta-da. Out of room on our drill. Probably a lot more of this going on tonight. And there goes the nose. Well, that didn't take long. We got quite a pile over here already. By the way, our nice nose here that Noah lent us last week. Thanks again, Noah. Saved the day in the 11th hour. I don't even think I scratched it up too much. Another one bites the dust. Oh, there's the whole door. And there you have it, just like that. She's doorless. Pretty quick process there so far. There's our nice pal. Well, she's pretty close. That's all from me for the night. I think I'm about ready for bed, but we got both sides off of there. You can see there's passenger side, driver's side. See our big pile of doors and spoiler, some decking, the nose, all kinds of stuff off of here. The hood stuff still sitting on top, but the whole front end's off. Just a couple more pieces of decking here, as you can see. Got to come off. The fuel flap, stuff like that. So we are pretty close. That's it for me for the day. I think we're gonna come back out here tomorrow, have some help get the rest of this off of here, and then hopefully pull that thing up there, the motor. Hopefully do that tomorrow and send this thing off to get some new shinies on it. Get it updated a little bit here and get rid of all this white. Yeah. We'll see you in the morning. Here we go, day 2 of demo. Nose here, everybody. Finally got good help. Steve's slacking, he's just laying down underneath the car, so. He said, wow.
That's a little low.
Got some movement. Oh! That's one. Oh. There we go. There she comes. Don't need to hold that. She come up out. There it is.
You don't have any plugs at all, do you?
No.
I don't want your master cylinder.
What are you guys talking about?
Guide that out of there. Good. Caught on anything? Watch your fuel pump. You're sure that this is in there still good?
Yep. At some point we're gonna have to go your way. Like the whole thing's gonna come your way, but you got a little bit of time still.
Watch that hood pin there. We gotta figure out
Oh yeah.
a way to get around it. Here, slide the motor forward. Get around that hood pin. Good. That fucking train doesn't need broken again, huh?
Yeah, I don't need a third rebuild this year.
Jesus. Black, honestly.
Most of them. Well, just like that, we got everything tore apart. Engine's in the corner. We got aluminum stacked everywhere, and I got an empty garage. See all this? Well, mostly empty at least. No race cars, so that's it for us today. Thanks to Noah, Steve, Hunter, and Shane for coming over, helping getting this done. Thanks to Brandon for lending me his engine hoist for the day, for the couple days here, so we can get it back out of here. We'll keep you guys in tune here. Hopefully, like I said, that piece right there was good to us this year. Hopefully we can send it on down the road and get something a little better for next year. So until then, there's our stack. There's my spot where there used to be a race car. And here's me being tired. I'm out. Be sure to like our page, comment down below, and subscribe. That way you guys get notifications when we post. We'll see you later. Bye.